How to add comparison tables to Wix. So in order to do that, click onto this plus icon that you can see right here in order to add an element. From in there, go over to embed in social. You can see in here the embed code, and then make sure to add that right here. So here's my embed code. So it's kind of plain right now since we haven't inputted the code yet. So to get the code for the comparison table, you need to head over to the help site. Make sure to sign up for an account. Once you have signed up, click onto the search bar right here and search in here for comparison. So you have here either of these two. So if you want to compare before and after, you can choose in here this part. Or if you want to compare specific plans that you have on your membership, you can choose in here this one. So just choose which kind of comparison table you want to utilize, and I have actually chosen the pricing table. We have in here these templates to choose from. Here we have our comparison table. So just click on to this continue with this template. You can just input right here the columns that this will actually have. You can choose in here the multiple tables mode right there as well. Now this is what the table will look like. You can edit it and add a new column depending on what your business is like. Click on this publish once you're done. Now from in there, you can just choose a plan for your actual elf site. And then from in there, they will give you this code. Make sure to copy this code and then head back to your Wix site. Click onto this enter code. Then enter in here the code right here. Click on update. And it will show you in here this comparison table that we work on. So as of right now, their actual size is actually inaccurate. So you can just adjust the particular code comparison in order to see the whole table itself. So that's how you add comparison tables to Wix. Hope we helped.